Hey guys, what's up? So the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are selling really well for Google, breaking the quarterly sales records. However, the company has already started working on the next iteration of the Pixel series, which might as well be called the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Now, though it seems early, we already have the CAD renders of both the 7 and 7 Pro courtesy of OnLeaks, and these look almost identical to the current generation Pixel devices, albeit with some minor changes. The camera band for one is now a part of the phone's frame like the Galaxy S21 series. Also, there's a ring around the cameras now, and even the lenses are a bit bigger, more in line with the trend in flagship smartphones these days. There doesn't seem to be any difference in the camera setup, so we may still get a 50 megapixel dual camera setup on the back on the cheaper Pixel 7, while the Pro might be accompanied by an additional telephoto camera like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Flipping the phones, and we may see a 6.2 to 6.4 inch display on the smaller Pixel 7 with the centered punch hole and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone will be a little smaller and slimmer at 155.6 by 73.1 by 8.7 mm compared to 158.6 by 74.8 by 8.9 mm of the predecessor, which may go in favor of a slightly smaller display. So we may see a 6.2 inch display on the 7, and the 7 Pro will be a little shorter but wider and slimmer at 163 by 76.6 by 8.7 mm compared to 163.9 by 75.9 by 8.9 mm on the predecessor. Even this might have a tad smaller display at 6.7 inch, but Google may keep it the same at 6.8 inch since it is a bit wider. These devices may have the same single camera at the front with 8 megapixels and 11.1 megapixels for the 7 and 7 Pro. Now, Google has filed a patent for an under-display camera technology, which is very similar to Samsung's implementation on the Z Fold 3. So we may see at least the 7 Pro launch with an under-display camera tech, but I'm not very optimistic about that since the technology is in its nascent stage and can't be put on a flagship smartphone with just one selfie camera, unless Google makes rapid progress in this department, of course. Google developed their own chip for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, so it's obvious that the Pixel 7 series will be powered by an updated Tensor chip. In fact, Google has already started working on it. 9 to 5 Google found some references of Cloud Ripper in the code of some apps shipped with Pixel 6, which is the codename for the upcoming Tensor 2 with model number GS201. A similar codename appeared earlier this year with slider for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Also, the original Tensor has the model number GS101. The release of Android 13 TP1 has brought to light some further information about the chip along with codenames for the phones. The new chip will use an unreleased Exynos Modem with model number G5300B. The Pixel 6 meanwhile comes with G5123B, which is the Exynos Modem 5123. Given the correlation, it is likely that the unreleased modem is actually Exynos Modem 5300, which will handle the new Tensor's connectivity bits. The code also reveals 3 additional device code names associated with the Exynos Modem 5300. 2 of these are Cheetah and Panther and most likely stand for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. The Pixel 7 might be available in stormy black, kind of coral, sort of seafoam and cloudy white color options, and you may be able to buy it in September or October. Apart from that, there isn't much known about the Pixel 7 series as of now, but we should be gaining more info as we inch closer to its launch. Thanks a lot for watching. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos coming your way. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.